Thanks for tuning in to PRsRealm. Today, we're going to discuss a hack on how to remove permanent marker from any CD, Blu-ray, DVD, PC game, or any similar product. With that being said, I'm going to go through the products I tried. Product number 1, petroleum jelly. It did clean the disc and make it shine, but it was nothing more than a big mess. It took a while to wipe down the disc and make sure all the oil was removed. And again, do not do it on top of any of the artwork, the paper artwork that is, because it will then stain it and that will not come out. A similar result, but less messy, was with coconut oil and furniture polish. It did clean the disc and it did make it shine, but it didn't really do anything for the stain. One suggestion I saw online was using hairspray and then cleaning it down. All that did was make a sticky mess. 2 products that cleaned it well and it wasn't too messy: shaving cream, any shaving cream will do, and a little disinfectant spray. They didn't do much for the permanent marker, but they cleaned the disc again. So I have 2 of the cleanest discs in the world right now. I also tried various cleaning solutions made for electronics. This one's a scratch remover and polish. This one's a cleaning solution. This one's super clean for basically like a Windex. I tried the old body spray. It took it off a little. This one started to get the stain. It started to get it moving. Similar to that was using cologne and hand sanitizer. Although, what I believe and my theory is the alcohol concentration within these products is actually what helped. Similar to that, and getting to the 2 best things, is something called witch hazel. It's an alcohol type product. Simplest way to explain it. It did really start to remove it. But, warning, to as what I said before, try it on a small area and don't be too rough. Now, looking at one of the stains I had to get through, which I'm still working on, see right here, I was a little too rough and I took off some of the coloring. Now, the 2 best things, this right here is a little alcohol pad. You could also use rubbing alcohol. I found the higher the concentration, the better it worked. That's why we have this here, and the one that worked the best for me. As you see here, this disc too was stained. It didn't have as big of a stain as this, but the acetone, which is the main ingredient within the nail polish remover, and this one happens to be 100% acetone, it worked excellent. It removed a big check mark that was up here. Luckily, this was the main disc I really wanted to target because this is the disc I really liked. And as you see it, there isn't any sign of it. It took me a while, and I had to be very careful. I didn't want to make the same error. That's why I stopped doing this, and I'm going to go back to it when I can. But it eventually removed it. So, my top pick was the nail polish remover. So, just a quick secondary hack. A lot of these also work as window/mirror cleaners. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you come back often. Subscribe to PRsRealm on YouTube. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.